So I thought I would just do a really quick demo to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write a real estate listing. Right now I'm in my ChatGPT account. You go to chat.openai.com to sign up. I have a premium version, which is $20 a month. I find it is way worth it because it saves me so much time. I can't even put a price tag on the amount of time it saves me. So here I am in the level 4 of ChatGPT. You'll see there are two levels, 3.5 and 4. I like 4 because I feel like it gives me just a little bit more advanced thinking. And then over here on the left, you'll see these are other tools that you can use with ChatGPT. These are just apps that you can use. So what I did was I wrote a prompt for how to get a listing written that says, act like a real estate agent and write a property description for a new listing. The property is located in San Jose, California. It is a single family home with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, single story, 2,200 square feet on a quarter acre with room to build an ADU. Features include owned solar and smart home features, new laminate flooring, and newer roof. The backyard has a small built-in barbecue and prep station. It also has a hot tub and nice landscaping. Make the listing upbeat but professional and keep it under 250 words. So a couple things about this. I tried to put in as many details about the property as I wanted featured in the listing. So that's one important thing. Then you want to put all the details of the listing that you want in there. I also wanted to make sure that it isn't too long because I know there's a limit on how many words you can use when you're listing it on the internet. And I did put the tone that I want it to take, so upbeat but professional. So let's just click go, click the little arrow button, and let's see what we get. As you can see, it goes really fast, and it's amazing because what I like about it is it gives you a place to start. You don't necessarily have to use every bit of it, but you get inspiration, and it really helps so much. So here's the result. I have a feeling that it's a little longer than we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and I'm going to take it over to a free tool that I use. If you just want to search for word counter, then this one comes up. I've used it quite a bit actually. And so I'm going to replace this text because that's the last one I used, and let's just see how big it is. Okay, so 226 words is actually fine. It just seemed kind of long to me. At this point, you have something to start with, so you can copy this into your listing, see where you're at as far as the limit, and then you can just tweak it as you see fit. I think it's pretty good though. Welcome to your San Jose sanctuary, a meticulously crafted single-story abode that's the epitome of Californian living. Okay, to me that's a little flowery and a little bit too much. And it has too many fancy words. Yeah, I just sort of feel like it's a little bit too flowery. So what you can do is you can now go down here, and it has this conversation going in its database. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say, so please rewrite this and use less flowery language, make it shorter. Let's just see what happens when we do that. Okay, so here's what it came back with. Discover your new home in San Jose, a practical and inviting 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single-family residence with a 2-car garage. At a comfortable 2,200 square feet set on a quarter-acre lot, there's ample space, including potential to add an ADU. Enjoy the benefits of owned solar panels and smart home technology for efficiency and ease. Inside, find new laminate flooring and well-maintained roof. The backyard is designed for enjoyment with a built-in barbecue, prep station, hot tub, and tasteful landscaping. This home balances comfort with convenience, perfect for the modern family. Okay, I like this a lot better. And of course, I could add to it if I wanted to. I could change some of the words, but I feel like this is a really good, solid listing. So that's just a quick example of how you can use ChatGPT to write a property listing. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you liked the blog post. Thanks so much, and have a great day.